Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Glory. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for stopping by again, and if you're also a new subscriber, thank you very much for watching. On today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this flawless and easy makeup look. As you can see, everything is looking so smooth and natural. I use neutral tones for this tutorial. If you'd like to see how I did this, please just sit back and watch. Please, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Thank you very much. First off, I'll be using the Hydrating Mist just to hydrate my face. Then I'll be using the Zaron Oil Block Mattifier. This product is really good if you want your makeup to last all day. As you can see, I'm applying it at the parts of my face that tend to produce oil easily. I have a combination skin. Some parts of my face produce oil faster, while some others are always dry. So that's what I'm just doing right now. As you can see, everything is all dried up. It usually leaves a white cast on the face. I'll be going in with this classic primer just so that the foundation can sit well on my face. I'm just blending it into my skin properly. As you can see, I've done my eyebrows off camera. If you'd like to know how I did that, please, I have a separate video on that. So for my eyeshadow base, I'll be using a concealer. I'm using it to fill in the parts of the eye where I want to apply the eyeshadow. Then I'll be going in with this setting powder from Blot Cosmetics. It's really smooth. I'll be using it to set the concealer so that it can sit well and to prevent my eyeshadow from creasing. Then for eyeshadow, I'll be using this Zaron palette in Earth. It has neutral tones, both shimmer and matte. So first off, I'll be using this color as a transition. I want to build up the intensity of the eyeshadow, so this is what I'll just be using first. It's very important to blend in properly. I'll be doing that for the other eye. I'll be blending it into my crease. In eyeshadow application, blending is key. Next up, I'll be using this other color. As I said earlier, I want to build up the intensity of the eyeshadow. These are all matte shades. You don't do this with a shimmer eyeshadow, you do it with a matte eyeshadow. So I'm just blending it in. I like to do this in circular motion. Then next up, sorry I couldn't show this color. I'll be using the last two shades down. I'll be mixing them together. Then for shimmer, I'll be using this shade. Don't forget to dust off your product. I'll be applying it on my crease. I'll just be using a little. As you can see, it's really pigmented. Then I'll be going in with this Zaron eyeliner and also the Zaron lengthening mascara. For foundation, I'll be using the Maybelline Superstay foundation in Mocha. Then I'll be using a beauty blender to apply the foundation. It's damp already. You don't apply foundation with a dry sponge. So it's really important to blend your foundation in section by section. You don't apply it all over your face, then you start to blend. Blending will be harder that way. As you can see, I'm applying it section by section. Don't forget to blend it into your hairline. Don't forget to blend it into your jaw line and all that, so that everything can be blended and everything can be smooth. When applying foundation on your forehead, it's really important not to use too much. Just blending a little so that you won't have patches on your forehead. And don't forget the hairline so that it won't look like a mask. As you can see, my face is looking so flawless. If I don't want to contour or highlight, I can just go over my face with my powder. So for the highlight, I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Cool Tan and Beautiful Bronze. I don't want my highlight to be too much because for this look I want everything to be as simple as possible So I'm just trying to blend that in. While doing this, it's important to look up so that any skin or everything can be smooth. I'll be blending it out using the lower part of the blending sponge. You don't want to extend your concealer, even though your face will look wider. I'm applying the concealer on the bridge of my nose too. I'll also be applying it on my chin, just a little. Then for the contour, I'll be using the Zaron Healthy Glow foundation. This foundation is 2 shades darker than me. I just want the contour to be soft. I don't want it to be too harsh because I'll still be doing the powder contour. I'm also applying it on the perimeters of my head, just a little bit. I'm just blending a little into the perimeters of my head. For the setting powder, I'm using the Blot Cosmetics setting powder I showed you earlier. I'm just applying it under my eye. Don't forget to look up just to stretch the skin under your eyes. I'll be blending it into the other eye also. Don't forget, do not extend your highlight even though your face will look wider. You want your face to be as slim as possible. This is really important. I'm also going to be applying it on my chin and on the bridge of my nose, just a little. While I let that sit, I'll be using this lip liner from Zaron in Cappuccino to line my lips because I'm going for a nude look. If you don't have a lip liner, you can use a matte lip stain. I'm just going to be doing that neatly while I let the setting powder sit. Then I went in with a little gloss and I'm trying to spread out the lip stain. The lip pencil. Then I'll be going in with this lipstick from Zaron in Cookie. It's a nude lipstick also, so I'll be putting it at the middle part. Now I'll be smacking my lips together. It's a matte lip stain, but if you want your matte lip stain to be glossy, all you need to do is apply a little gloss before you apply it, so it changes the texture from matte to like a glossy lipstick, and just smack together. So for powder, I'll be using the Lady V Beauty powder in my shade. I'll be using this powder all over my face. As you can see, it's really important to use foundation and powder in your own color, so that your face will not be lighter than your body, or your body will be lighter than your face anyway. So I'm just using it to blend every part of my face. I'm dusting off the setting powder also. Blend your neck, your jaw, every part of your face together. Then for my contour, I'll be using this sleek palette to contour my cheekbones. I'm using this brush because I just want to spread it a little. I don't want it slim line. I want it to look as natural as possible. I'm applying blush right now just to add more definition to my cheekbones. For highlights, I'll be using this Gold Rush palette from Zaron. I'll be mixing the 3 shades together. I'm applying this with a firm brush. For my nose, I usually use my hand. I'll just apply a little bit on the bridge of my nose and that part of my nose, then I'll be blending it out using the firm brush, just a little. Try to look as natural as possible. As you can see, I'm applying a setting spray just so that everything can blend together, so that I won't have that cakey look. I applied my lashes of calm, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. You can wear this look anywhere, to church, for a party, for a photo shoot, anything. I really hope you enjoyed this. I can't wait to see you in my next video. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.